right, so
The swimming pool is right there.
this is the top. Yeah,
This is the top of the...
yeah. Let's sit down and maybe have a beer 30.
Beer 30, yeah. I was going to have a fruit something or other, but I want you to look at this view.
Yeah. Wow. The view is phenomenal from here, Central Park Hotel. Unfortunately, the sun is sticking right in our face, so it kind of be hard. Oh, yeah, it helps it a little bit.
You can actually go inside this room, maybe, and the windows have like a filter. You can filter off some of the sun.
Yeah.
If the windows
I can fix the dark shades in my edit, so it is a phenomenal view though. It's beautiful. All right, so this is a view of the whole thing. Huh?
Going on, it's going to block this view up here, and I think when they bought this property, they bought it with all the rights to.
Right, rights to the view. Yeah. So, okay, we look. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you can probably see it if I go out here, you should be able to see Mount Orion there, and there is another mountain range behind the riot,
Barely see it.
but you can barely see it because of the haze.
This is my favorite part. You just turn the camera all the way around and see all the mountains.
And then you turn the camera around,
Clark?
and that's Clark out there at the airport, and everything. Where's the airport? It's
Right there, straight ahead, right
straight
there.
ahead
Those are
up
the
there.
hangars?
Yeah,
Those are the airplanes right there. Those airplanes.
yeah.
You see them?
Well, I'm blind. I can't see nothing.
There's the hangars over there.
And then if you run up here this way, Mount Pinatubo. I always say Pinabuto, but my wife said that's not the right thing to say. It apparently means something, and I didn't know it. So the view is actually fantastic. They have not a full 360 view on this place, but it is.
The view they have is amazing.
It's gorgeous, yeah, for sure.
The one that has 360-degree views is
Yeah.
the building right next door.
Right. Building next door has 360. Oh, they built that one up pretty high. Yeah, that's crazy. So this is the other side. Oh yeah, this is the pool area. That's the pool area. Oh yeah. It's a nice pool actually.
But you see that?
So, yeah.
The tower's over us.
That's the Penthouse Hotel.
Yeah, the penthouse hotel.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. That's very cool up there. Oh, the UFO building? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh yeah, down there.
Yeah,
Right down there. We call it the UFO building. It's Madison Hotel. All right, so yeah.
That's the park for the Hacienda.
Yeah, and down there is Astro Park. All right, so this is the rooftop hotel. Huh?
That's the one Euphoria there. You can actually come here.
Oh yeah, One Euphoria Hotel. Oh yeah. So One Euphoria is actually going to be some form of condominiums, and you have it right down there, right ahead of us. And you go down this way to the left because you can. That's Wild Orchid, right off the walking street as well. So that covers a little bit of the hotels we have here. And up that way, and we're going to go there one of these days. Straight up here. The white building you can see far down there is Candy Towers. They're adding another section to Candy now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they're adding another section to it. Down there you have apartments. It's condos. Those are condos, correct?
Yeah.
And some of them are for long-term lease. We have a friend that he's been in there for how long now? Like a year almost,
that
right?
building that you see right there, that's
Yeah.
also part of the Candy complex, the one they're building right now.
Right,
K3 they just finished, it's beautiful.
right. Yeah, that's a tall one, the
That's a tall one, the K3.
K3. That's
This
just
one is going to be pretty tall. It's going to be taller than
the first
the first one,
section.
but I don't think as tall as K3.
Right. Yep. There is construction everywhere.
One Euphoria is going to go up a little bit higher than that, I think.
Yeah, it looks like they're putting up at least one or two more levels.
We're working on the 13th floor. I guess they don't put the 13 on it. They just put the 12, and then it's going to skip
Right.
the 13 to the 14. I don't know what they do that.
Yeah. They don't want to have the 13th floor.
I guess not. And here is a good view of the orchid right there.
Yeah. Right down here. I already touched on that. And way back there behind Candy, you see the mountain range. If you can see it, it's a lot of haze, but you see the shadow of it probably. All right.
One thing I don't know is what's all that over there. That's downtown Angeles.
Yeah.
That's Nepal.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. The ones over there with the little cupola there, that's downtown Angeles.
Right.
And you also see the cathedral. You see the cupola of the cathedral. Straight
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
Yep, right there.
right there, right? Yeah. So that's is that the cathedral we showed?
Yeah.
Big church.
That's downtown Angeles.
All right. Yeah, so it's a few kilometers away. But you see the cranes in the sky up there too. There's a lot of construction up there as well.
Names, everything.
Yeah. Hazel at work. This is where she works. The little angel Hazel. Oh, you know, is she an angel or not? She's a good girl. Yeah, yes, she does. Nice personality. All right, so we are having, I'm having a vitamin drink called San Miguel. And here
It
we
has
are.
your B vitamins, like beer 1, beer 2,
Beer
beer
2.
3,
Beer 1, beer 2, beer 3 vitamins.
beer 12, and B13.
And that's the mango juicer. Mango juice.
Shake, shake.
Shake, shake. Okay, Umberto, are you ready? And all right, let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye. That was our waitress and Umberto's girlfriend. All right. Here we are. Down in the lobby. This hotel? Oh, so that's the, that's pretty cool. It's going to be similar to this. This is the, what do you call it? One Euphoria condo hotel or whatever. And there's a model of it. And it looks like the rooftop will have like a pool and gym. And a restaurant, terrace up there. That looks pretty cool, actually. So they're condo units for sale. So it looks pretty cool. All right, guys, let's go.